So guys, here is how you can recover your Mashreq Neo username and reset or retrieve your password in 2 easy steps. When you open your Mahsreq app and realize that you forgot your username or your password, simply click on Forgot Credentials. First, tap on Username so that we can recover or receive our username in our email or by SMS on our registered mobile number. Go ahead and enter your 16-digit card number, your Mashreq Neo debit card number, your CVV code, plus your date of birth, and then tap on Submit. Enter the OTP and your username will be immediately sent to your email address and also sent by SMS to your mobile number that is registered to your Mashreq account. If you're still with me, hit the like button and let's keep moving. So now that you know your username, let me guide you on how you're going to reset your password. Again, while you're trying to log in into your app, tap on Forgot Credentials and then click on the password section. Just like you did on recovering your username, input your 16-digit card number, the CVV code plus the date of birth, and then tap on Submit. Again, you receive an OTP to your registered mobile number via SMS. If by any chance you don't have access to your registered mobile number, let me know so that I can guide you on how to change number that is connected to your Mashreq account. Enter the OTP and now you can create a new password. Follow the guidelines on the screen in order to create a strong and unique password. Scroll down and confirm your password, then tap on Submit. Your password reset was successful, meaning that right now your password has been changed. As you can see on the screen, some of the services will be restricted in your banking app. To regain full access to all banking services, you can do it by either visiting a Mashreq Neo ATM machine or do it right now by verifying your identity using face recognition in this easy step. Tap on Verify Facial Recognition. You will be asked to enter your login details again, that is your username and your password. Once you are logged in, again tap on Verify Facial Recognition and then tap on Start. Select the checkbox. Click on Open Camera and then fit your face in the frame. Follow the instructions on the screen and then wait for verification to be completed. Congratulations, you have been able to recover your username, to reset your password, and also to regain full access to all your banking services. If you want to learn how to activate your Mashreq Neo banking card online, watch the video that is up next.